Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Chief Meteorologist Michael Coates, along with meteorologist Steve Cannon in the First Alert Weather Center. We're breaking into programming because we have a tornado warning. Very rare around eastern Idaho and western Wyoming to have a tornado warning. However, it is in a very rural location. So we just want to briefly talk about the warnings that we have active right now. First, though, everybody in this purple shaded area is under a severe thunderstorm watch until 11 o'clock tonight. And that severe thunderstorm watch is indication that we're under the conditions to see severe weather. That doesn't necessarily mean that severe weather is actually happening right now in your location, but we are seeing conditions just ripe for severe thunderstorm action. We're getting a few severe thunderstorm warnings right now. In fact, let's zoom into the tornado warning and the two severe thunderstorm warnings we have right now. Steve Cannon at the controls of First Alert Viper radar. So the tornado warning, it's a radar-based warning, which means there hasn't actually had a spotter on this one. This means that Doppler radar is indicating a possible tornado with this severe thunderstorm, and we've been tracking the severe thunderstorm for a while. It's been coming over the Chesterfield area, right on top of the Blackfoot Reservoir. Here's the highway that goes by the reservoir, and then out towards Thane there. So here's the highway, right along the highway there that takes you out to Thane. So that's the biggest concern right now. Is for folks in the very rural locations of northern Caribou County, this extreme southeastern corner of Bonneville County, and a little bit of Bingham County kind of lopped in here with this warning. So here's the severe thunderstorm. You see the spinning circle on First Alert Viper radar. That's indication of a shear marker, wind shear. So we have a tornado warning. This is going to go at least till 4:30, I believe it is. The warning that is over the Blackfoot Reservoir, that one's going till 4:30. And this tornado warning extends out further from that. So lots of lightning with this storm right on top of the Blackfoot Reservoir. And again, it's in a very rural location, Caribou County, Bingham County, Bonneville County. This storm cell, though, the large storm system, is making its way towards the Palisades. So if you're in the Palisades, Alpine area, take note this storm is heading your way. Within the next 20 minutes, it's going to be on top of you. You're already starting to see that thunderstorm on top of you, but it really gets going as it moves closer into town here in the next 20 to 30 minutes there into Star Valley. Also to note, we have a severe thunderstorm warning. This is for areas east of Ammon. It's just coming over Highway 26 right now. Here's Ryrie, there's Archer, there's the High C area, there's Swan Valley, just to the east here. This warning goes until 5 o'clock. That's a severe thunderstorm warning, and this is for a fairly localized, intense thunderstorm that is making its way in the central part of Bonneville County and into portions of Jefferson and Madison. So here's Rigby for some perspective, Idaho Falls, but again, this thunderstorm, it's blowing to the east. So once again, two severe thunderstorm warnings, a tornado warning, and everybody pretty much under a severe thunderstorm watch. The only people that are not under any watches and warnings right now, central Idaho. Right now they're sitting with just a few thunderstorms, but all the severe weather is starting here and it's blowing off into Wyoming. We'll continue to track the weather for you, and if we have any more updates on this tornado warning, we'll come back into programming. From the First Alert Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Michael Coates, along with Steve Cannon. We'll send you back to regular programming.